I got that red lip classic thing that you like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a classic Valentine's Day makeup look. It's this look right here. It's actually very simple, just a few steps, very simple eyes, a nice wing liner, and a classic red lip. So I hope you like it. If you do like it, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do beauty tips and makeup tutorials and unboxing and lots of fun things like that, and I will be branching out and doing some new things soon, like my vlogging in Europe. Yes, me and my husband are going to Europe very soon. We're actually spending Valentine's Day in London. I'm really excited. So if you're interested in that, be on the lookout for my videos of that. Alright, and if you're interested in how I got this makeup look, then let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, so I already did my face because we're just going to focus on the eyes. Because for a Valentine's Day look, your face doesn't really change. So just go ahead and do your normal routine: foundation, bronzer, contour, highlight, all that good stuff. If you don't know how to do that, you can go ahead and check out my first makeup tutorial, and that explains a little bit more of that. So for this look, is going to be really simple. This is our classy look if you're looking for something really easy. So I primed my lids before I start. I want to say I primed my lids just with my concealer. If your concealer is really heavy, just have a light hand with it, but because we're not doing a lot of shadow, you can have a little bit of a heavier concealer. So we're gonna go in. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Everybody loves this palette. How could you not? There's like 4,000 colors in here. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with this like neutral color. So again, there's not gonna be a lot of shadow on the eye, but you wanna just create a little bit of depth there, some dimension in that. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, looks like that. You can see that. This is a nice fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E27, and just go in with that color there. Okay, so again, just focusing this on our crease here. Crease and outer corner. Really light with that. Just make sure we are blending. Nice, smooth, no lines. All right, so I'm still, like, this is very light, but I'm still gonna blend it out and just make sure it's not harsh at all. So I'm just going in with another fluffy brush, no product on it, and just really blending it out. Okay, so now for the fun part. This is all fun for me. So eyeliner. So if you wear eyeliner often, chances are you have your own eyeliner that you like, or your own specific type or brand that works for you. For me, I have gone through so many eyeliners. I reached a point where I wasn't wearing eyeliner anymore because I couldn't find something that I loved. Right now, my favorite eyeliner ever for my top line is the Clinique Pretty Easy, you can see that, eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, has a felt tip. It just goes on beautifully. It's really easy to work with. It's nice and black. It stays on all day, yada yada. Everything you need in an eyeliner, right there. So I'm going to be using this. We're going to do a nice classic wing liner. That's what really is going to make this look. Since we're not doing a lot of shadow, we're going to really emphasize the liner on this. So for those of you who have a hard time putting on eyeliner or getting a straight line or whatever have you, it's okay. Happens to everybody, to the best of us. It's just the struggle. So I'm going to show you a trick that I have used, that a lot of people use to help with your eyeliner, and that is tape. A lot of people use this for shadow or eyeliner. I'm going to use it for eyeliner today. Hopefully this helps you. So you're just going to put it right under, make sure it goes under your bottom lashes so you're not pulling at your lashes. And you're going to just follow your line of your eye. So it's going to go straight out like this, right along, like you're just, like your eye is just continuing like that. If somebody taught you and somebody told you that going up with your eyeliner was cute, I'm here to say, I'm so sorry. Somebody lied. Or they just did you wrong. A lot of people do it. It's not cute. It's not how you're supposed to do your liner. Your eyeliner is just supposed to be an extension of your eye line and to help accentuate your lashes too. If you're going like that with your eyeliner and it's going up, it's not cute. I'm sorry. I don't want to break this to you. So anyway, all right, so tape right under your eye. If you want to like kind of make it not so sticky, that's fine too. So you can see it just goes right along with my eye. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. This is gonna feel weird, not gonna lie to you. If you've never done this before, it's gonna feel weird. Okay, so go in with your eyeliner and just do a nice, smooth, straight line. We don't want it to be too thick, not too thin, just a nice medium, however, you'll see. So you want to get your liner really, really close to your line. You don't want there to be a gap. I see a lot of people that do their eyeliner and there's a gap in between the liner and the lashes, and you can start to see that. Or if you look real close, you can see it, and sometimes you don't have to look that close. A good trick is to just lift them up and really get in there. So you want to just do short strokes to make sure you're not doing more than you have to. Raise your hand if you wanted to do a nice thin line, and by the end of it, there's liner all over your eye. You come out with thick eyeliner like this because you messed up, or this one's thicker than this one and you have to go back and forth. I know you raised your hand. Did you raise your hand? You raised your hand. I'm just saying, it's the struggle of every girl who does any kind of liner. It's just sometimes you don't get it even. Whatever, it happens, you move on. But at least with this trick with the tape, it's helpful, at least for the wing part. Alright, for the wing, you don't want it to go out too much. Just a nice, again, classy wing. And you want to let that dry before you take the tape out. Ow. You may need to go in and just fix up the line. Like I see this one's a little bit thicker than this one, and that's okay. At least it's much easier now. And if you need to, you shouldn't need to, but just go in and apply any powder to wipe any of your stuff away. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with any kind of like rose gold, pinky, shimmery shade. I have this L'Oreal Infallible. It's like its own shadow. It's a beautiful rose gold. So I'm just gonna go in. I would actually normally mess up a little bit. Normally go in before my eyeliner and do this, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna go in with a little brush and do the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in and touch up my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. So I just went back in and put eyeliner back over the spots where I just put the shimmer glittery shade. So now I'm gonna go and just make sure there wasn't any fallout anywhere, which there was a little bit, but that can easily be brushed away. And then I'm gonna go in and do my mascara. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I did not film doing my mascara because in my last makeup tutorial I didn't, and I got a lot of feedback that people were interested in how I did my mascara because I have fuller lashes or a fuller look, and I don't use falsies all the time. Sometimes I do, but in my tutorial I didn't. I got a lot of feedback, so instead of just doing it, I'm gonna make a whole tutorial on how I apply my mascara for really full, awesome lashes. So be on the lookout for that. So last but not least, lips. So we got this classic look going on. What do you think I'm going to put on my lips for this look? Red, duh! Anyway, so I'm going to be using the Sephora Cream lip stain I used, or I raved about in my last video. Again, still my favorite lipstick of all time. They have every single color imaginable. If you don't want a red lip, that's fine. You can do a pink lip, you can do a nude lip, you can do a really deep red. This is like a classic red. They have every single color. I will show in my video here all of the colors that they have, because I went to the store and I was like, there's a lot of colors. I already knew this, but I want to prove to you guys all the colors that they have. Anyway, so I'm gonna put my lipstick on and that will complete our look. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. So quick recap. We did really simple eyeshadow. So I don't know if I said this, so I primed my eyes with concealer. Then I went in with just a neutral shade just to set that, just like a soft like skin tone shade. Then I went in with the light from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, just like a light brown neutral color, just in the outer corner and my crease. Then we did the the eyeliner. We used the tape, we got a nice wing look here, and then mascara. Well, we did the rose gold shimmery shade in the inner corner, did our mascara, did our thing, then we did the classic red lip, which again is the Sephora Cream Matte Lip Stain. And here is your classy Valentine's Day makeup, and hope you like it. If you did like it, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Also going to be spending this Valentine's Day in London. Oh my gosh, kind of freaking out about that. So in the next few weeks, I'll have some videos up of that if you're interested. Again, hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.